Hi, Steve Brockwurst here from DFY Magic Themes. You want to know a quick way of finding keywords? You don't need any special tools to do this. You just need Google. Watch this. Switch to Google. Type in niche near location or niche near me if it's in your own location, and then pop down and have a look here on the related keywords. In this example, I did plumbers near Bristol, and we got plumbers near Bristol prices, free plumbers near Bristol, cheap plumbers near Bristol, best plumbers near Bristol, cheap plumbers near Bristol. All of these can be pages created on your website with content. And by creating that page and adding a product like Rank Math, you are able to then add the titling to the search term on here. Look at this site here. This is sponsored. Let's ignore sponsored for a minute and let's scroll down to a non-sponsored one. So here, look, local plumber, Bristol Plumbing Services, leaks and taps. This is an ideal headline that you can put inside a Rank Math, so it shows up here. And then you can create something similar to this and add your phone number in there also. That's by creating a page on a niche website. If you want to learn more about niche websites, head to rankrentwebsites.com. Want more tips from DFY Magic Themes? Like, subscribe, and please share our videos out everywhere. It helps the channel. Thanks for watching.